supposed to go off across the country in the next half hour. A warning signal sent out to television, radio, and cell phones. Nothing to worry about, though. It is just a test, only a test, of the Federal Emergency Alert System being conducted by FEMA and the FCC. CB Cotton is live in New York City with what you need to know.
Here it is.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
To everyone, including those with disabilities. As soon as you clicked on your phone, the tone probably ended. The test also airing on your TV and radio with a